So I just keep making sure I move it. It's getting better. Just slow, slow, slow. Yeah, my life right now. Between my foot, my hand, my arm, my fucking shooting myself. Well, that's the same way. I have a dent in my finger now. So I shot a nail through it. It's Friday. Everybody knows you can write a book with the trouble of a woman in a man. Yeah, we're hard on the rigging. Write a book with the trouble of a woman in a man. You can't all the nose, you can't stick your nose into something that you don't understand. Do you wonder who's cheating who? Don't care anymore. Sunday, what up? Yeah, we know the good jams. We got the good jams. I really couldn't tell she had another lover on her mind. She felt so right, and it sealed me tight. I couldn't believe so long. She wondered who's cheating who, who's being true, and who don't even care anymore. You wonder who's doing right with someone tonight, whose car's farting big slow. Woo! Jennifer! Oh my god, what was that thing? I love change. Girl! Once I have this cigar, I'll sing you some Johnny Cash. Nothing's wrong. It's just all on the inside. But my hand's been tingly since I did the tattoo. Not as bad as it was. It's going away. Oh, damaged nerves. And probably hit it for like a while. And I was holding my arm in an awkward spot, so I was like cutting the blood off probably for like 3 hours.